If you want to get rid of acne or excess oil or sebum na tinatawag nila kung sa scientific tawag dito, scientific term, no, sebum yung tawag doon, yung tawag dito. So, you need a cleaner that can go deep in your pores and get rid of the gunk without too much effort. Kasi nga dahil foamy siya, foamy effect siya, talagang smooth siyang gamitin. Okay? And ito yung sebum na tinatawag, ito yung tawag dito, pinoproduce ng skin natin, no, na natural oil. Kasi pag too much sebum or too much oil, it can be harmful sa skin natin. But kasi kailangan din natin yung oil to balance the moisture sa skin natin. Kaya yung skin natin talagang naturally nagpo-produce siya ng sebum. But too much is also harmful pa din. Okay, kaya gumagamit tayo ng cleansing foam to balance the sebum.
To know more about this business, please contact